Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to add equation in Google Sheets graph. Let's begin. Select table, insert tab, sort type, find scatter chart. Then customize series, trend line, label, use equations. Change the line color. Line thickness 2px, 1px. Show R square. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.